You could be getting 100% email opt-ins, but you've probably been doing it wrong all this time. Now imagine if your customers opted into your email marketing 100% of the time. Let me show you how to get the 100% opt-in for your email list. Now I've been using this trick since 1998 without a problem. First, let me ask you, when a customer makes a purchase from your website, what percentage of the time do they opt into your email marketing? About 50% of the time? Maybe 60%? Well, let's get this to 100% of the time, every time. Here's how it works. When a website visitor begins to create an account on your website, there is a checkbox asking users if they like to opt into your email newsletter. Well, make that one line of code not visible to your customer and have the checkbox in the checked position. There you go. Now your customers will always be opted in 100% of the time, all the time. In the past 27 years, I've received 0 complaints about using this method. And because you have a relationship with your customer, you can email them anytime you want until they opt out. Remember, your email marketing list is one of your biggest assets, and you should be doing everything you can to increase the size of your list. Now watch this next video where I help you make the right changes to your website so you can boost your revenue fast, really fast.